Have you ever wondered how one company went from selling a tiny electric sports car to building robots, self-driving taxis, and the world's most advanced EV factories? This is the story of Tesla, how it started, how it evolved, and what Elon Musk believes Tesla will bring to the future of the world. If you care about electric vehicles, innovation, clean energy, or the future of transportation, this is your video. Stay till the end, because Elon Musk's biggest plan for Tesla isn't even a car. It's something much bigger. How Tesla evolved from the Roadster to global domination. Why Elon Musk believed EVs were the future way before the world listened. The mystery of Tesla's affordable model dream. And what Tesla will bring next that shocks the world. How robotaxis, AI, and Optimus could rewrite the whole industry. Let's start at the beginning. Before Tesla was a global brand, it was a tiny Silicon Valley startup with one mission: accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The first Tesla wasn't the Model S. It was the 2008 Tesla Roadster, a small electric sports car that shocked the industry. Until then, electric cars were slow, ugly, low range, and boring. But the Roadster did 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. That changed everything. Elon Musk didn't join Tesla to build luxury toys. He joined to prove EVs could be better, faster, and cleaner than gas cars. The Model 3 was Tesla's master plan coming true. It was designed to be affordable, mass market, simple, and efficient. People lined up like it was an iPhone launch. Model 3 became one of the best-selling EVs ever, and Tesla's financial turning point. Then came the Model Y, the compact SUV that took Tesla from a niche brand to a global giant. By this time, Tesla had gigafactories, charging networks, solar products, battery storage, and autopilot technology. The company wasn't just making cars, it was building an entire energy ecosystem. For years, Elon Musk talked about a Tesla for under $25,000. People called it the Tesla Model 2, or the next-gen compact. The idea was simple: make electric cars cheaper than gasoline cars. But the truth is complicated. Tesla is no longer just a vehicle company. Elon Musk believes the real breakthrough isn't the Model 2. It's robotaxis. The value of a self-driving car is a magnitude greater than a normal car. Imagine a Tesla picking you up with no driver, costing less than Uber, working 24/7, and earning money on its own. Musk believes robotaxis will reduce traffic, lower transportation costs, transform city infrastructure, and create a trillion-dollar economy. Tesla is training AI using billions of real-world miles. The company sees AI plus software as the future of transportation. And then comes the wildest part. Elon Musk says Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, may eventually be bigger than the car business. Optimus is designed to do dangerous jobs, help in factories, assist in homes, and replace repetitive labor. Why does this matter? Because Tesla isn't just building cars. It's building a universal AI-powered worker. Self-driving cars plus humanoid robots equals a complete shift in how humans work, travel, and live. This is the long-term evolution of Tesla. The next decade of Tesla could include next-generation EV platforms, cheaper batteries, more gigafactories, massive robotaxi fleets, energy storage for cities, AI-driven factories, advanced humanoid robots, and affordable EVs worldwide. Musk says Tesla's mission remains the same: